In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect personal Gmail account to Make.com. We'll start right inside Make.com. Open the site and log into your account so you're on the dashboard. From here, the goal is to build a simple scenario that uses Gmail, and then link your personal Gmail so you can automate tasks like sending messages from your workflows. Begin by creating a brand new scenario. On the dashboard, select Create Scenario. This opens a blank canvas where each module represents an app or action. Think of a scenario as your automation blueprint. You'll add modules, connect them together, and tell Make.com what to do and when to do it. Next, add your Gmail module. Click the plus button on the canvas to add your first module. Then type Gmail in the search bar and select it. You'll see a list of available operations. Choose an action that fits your goal. For this walkthrough, select Send an Email. This is a straightforward way to confirm your connection works, and you can change or expand it later as your automation grows. Before you can use Gmail, you need to connect your account. In the Modules Connection field, click Create a Connection. A Google sign-in window appears. Choose your personal Gmail account, sign in, and review the access request. Click Allow to grant Make.com permission to send emails and manage data required for your chosen action. If you use multiple Google profiles, double-check you've picked the right one so messages come from the account you expect. Once you authorize, you'll be returned to Make.com, and your new Gmail connection should appear in the connection field automatically. With the connection in place, configure the module. Fill out the required fields. 2. Subject and message. Enter a valid recipient for testing. Add a clear subject line and write a short message. Keep it simple for now. This helps confirm everything is wired correctly. If you plan to use dynamic content later, you can map fields from earlier modules. But for a first test, plain text works best. Now let's run a quick test. Click Run once. Make.com will execute the scenario using the values you entered. Watch the run log for success, and check the recipient inbox to verify the email arrived. If something fails, review the module fields and ensure you granted permission to the correct Gmail account. When you're satisfied, save your work. Click Save to store the scenario and your connection settings. Your personal Gmail account is now connected to Make.com and ready for automation. Thanks for watching.